In this video, we'll be demonstrating the difference between a full mosaic and a Quicktile. Let's start with the Quicktile because this is something that every user is going to get with the data that they collect from their flights. And on our screen here, you can see that we have an image that's currently displayed. This is listed as a Quicktile over here. And what you're going to see in here is exactly what was collected. And when the data is imported into FieldAgent, we lay out the images in the order in which they were taken. And that's it for post-processing at that point in time with a Quicktile. You can still use this. This is great because, again, we're on the side of the field. This could be done without the need of the internet. And when you're sitting there and you're looking at this information on the side of the field, you can then decide where in the field you need to go out and do your ground truthing to determine exactly what needs to be done within the field, or why is there a spot in the field that doesn't match the expectations of the rest of the field. You can also tell that this is a Quicktile because there are some nuances to how the image is displayed. You can see that the pivot line here is not very straight. The driveway to the pivot is a little crooked and out of a line. And same thing with these trial lines right here. So this is a really good indication that this is a Quicktile. None of this is going to affect the ability to take this and produce a prescription, or to take this and go out and do ground truthing with it. Again, this is available to you shortly after the aircraft is landed. The data has been imported into FieldAgent desktop. And after that, you have just a few minutes, and this is what you'll be looking at. In contrast to that, or comparison to that, we have a full mosaic. Now, this is a full mosaic of the same data set. And the one striking difference between this is you can see that things line up a little better with the pivot lines and the driveway and the trials and stuff like that. This also takes a significant amount of post-processing work to do to get to this. So this is not something that would be available to you on the side of the field. This is something that you would have to wait for and then come back and look at several hours or a day later after you've ordered it. So that has some effect on the ability to go out and be timely and proactive within the field. So when you do fly for this, you still get a Quicktile, which is the same Quicktile that we were looking at before. It's the exact same data set. This is just cleaned up quite a bit, simply because we did some post-processing on it. Again, if I'm not in a huge hurry, I can wait for this and I can come back and look at it and then go out and decide where I want to ground truth. And again, this information can be exported out of FieldAgent into a farm management tool so that you can produce a prescription just like you can with the Quicktile. If you have any questions about the difference between a Quicktile and a full mosaic and what the benefits are of each of them, please feel free to reach out to us at support@sentera.com. You're able to call us at 612-204-2000. You also have the ability to check out our support site by going to sentera.com and clicking on support.